Hey ThinkPath explorers. Today's spicy hot question comes from fictional viewer Riley from Reykjavik, Iceland, who asks, what would happen if every volcano on Earth erupted at the same time? Wow, Riley, that's the geological equivalent of asking, what if every oven in the world exploded during Thanksgiving? Let's answer it anyway. Just don't stand near any mountains while we do. First, let's define our flaming suspects. There are around 1,500 active volcanoes on land and thousands more under the ocean. Throw in a few hundred sleeping giants in those sneaky calderas and we're looking at over 1 million potential vents ready to blow. For this thought experiment, we're saying all of them erupt. Right now, at once, synchronized like the world's worst fireworks show. The first few minutes are chaos. Lava fountains shoot sky-high, ash clouds rise like doomsday jellyfish, and millions of people look outside and mutter, that can't be good. Cities near volcanoes are hit first. Goodbye Naples. Farewell Tokyo suburbs. Hawaii becomes a boiling fondue fountain. Iceland becomes, well, extra Icelandic. The death toll spikes. Emergency alerts jam every device. And your dog has no idea what's going on, but he knows it's bad. Volcanoes don't just do lava. They cough up ash, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, and other sky gunk. When all of them erupt at once, the stratosphere gets clogged, sunlight dims, temperatures drop. We just triggered a global volcanic winter in under a day. Crops begin shivering. Solar panels file complaints. Everyone's seasonal depression hits level. Apocalypse. Air travel. Nope. Thousands of flights grounded worldwide. Jet engines don't appreciate being filled with volcanic glass particles. Turns out, ash blankets everything. Think Gray Christmas, but instead of snowmen, you're sculpting your car out of ash crust. Breathing outdoors becomes a bad idea unless you're wearing a gas mask. And oh yeah, the internet starts glitching because satellite signals don't vibe with constant thunderous eruptions. Where sunlight blocked photosynthesis goes on vacation. Plants start dying, harvests fail. Supermarkets empty. Humanity enters stage 2 of the global meltdown, the great ramen hoarding. Meanwhile, ocean temperatures shift, marine life freaks out, coral reefs ghost everyone, fish go on strike and cows are now smoke-flavored, underwater volcanoes get rowdy too. Whole oceanic plates rumble. Landslides beneath the waves trigger mega-tsunamis. Coastal cities vanish faster than your will to finish this video. The skies begin dumping acid rain. Not the punk band, the real stuff. Trees sizzle, lakes turn sour. Everyone becomes way too familiar with the taste of sulfur. The planet cools by 5 to 10 degrees Celsius. Doesn't sound like much. That's Ice Age territory. Deserts become tundras. Tundras become icier. Australia freezes. Florida grows icicles. Nations squabble over remaining warm land like toddlers over the last chicken nugget. Heated, ironically, debates over food, water, and power spiral into volcanic-fueled World War Z. If Yellowstone and its supervolcano cousins erupt, game over. We're talking hundreds of cubic kilometers of magma, ash clouds that circle the Earth, and sky so dark it becomes emotionally unavailable. Supervolcanoes eject enough material to literally reshape continents. Global temperatures plummet further. Humanity huddles underground like mole people with canned beans and TikToks downloaded offline. Here's where it gets weird. What if this simultaneous eruption triggered massive shifts in Earth's mantle plume system? That's the hot stuff that keeps tectonic plates moving. Result: the crust begins to buckle. Fault lines snap like cheap chopsticks. Continents shift inches per hour. Earthquakes go from news events to daily background noise. The planet starts to remake itself. In this scenario, we're not just doomed, we're living inside a planetary tantrum. Eventually, between the volcanic winter and choking skies, 99% of life dies off. The sun is still there, somewhere, but Earth becomes a twilight snowball. The remaining humans are underground, pale as printer paper, whispering stories of the before times when bananas existed. Cats evolved to rule the surface again. They always knew this day would come. In the end, the planet recovers. In a few 100,000 years, forests regrow, volcanoes chill out. A new, dominant species evolves, digs up human skeletons, and asks, what were they thinking, building cities next to lava tubes? Classic humanity. Thanks for watching ThinkPaths, where curiosity burns hot, but hopefully not magma hot. Like, subscribe, and drop your own cataclysmic questions below. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and maybe don't live next to a volcano.